And to kick it off, we have Atlanta. Give a big round of applause for Atlanta.
Thank you. Hello everybody and welcome to Atlanta, a marketplace for athletes. The platform that connects athletes to the people looking for athletes. Access to each other is difficult, it's expensive, and it's risky. The decision is always based on video evidence, and we have a lot of solutions for the professional level. But what's happened with the critical mass, with the young talent player? And this market is huge. But let's take an example. One scout go to the YouTube and ask for a 2-meter guys, almost like me, point guard, left-handed. This is the result he will take. Exactly. Nothing, zero. And if he asks exactly the same question to the Atlanta today, this is the result he will take. How? Quick, simply. Because in Atlanta, we give the opportunity to the player not just to upload the video, but with the 2-button action, and this is very important, so easy, 2-button action, he finds himself on the video and he tags the frame with a specific sports highlight. So in Atlanta, you can go from the video evidence back to the player, and from players back to the video evidence just with one click. And this is how unique. Every player can create his own playlist with his video highlights, and this playlist is available for the scouts. Our team, 4 founders with experience on technology, on administration, on marketing, and on sport, of course, and we already have 2 early stage investors, both of them professional basketball players on NBA and EuroLeague. We launched the product 5 months ago, and we already have more than 5,000 players, but the impressive is that they are active. They stay in platforma, not 1, not 5, not 10, but 18 fucking minutes, and they create more than 2,000 highlights per month. So based on this traction, we will start to sell premium accounts to the scouts in the next month. With this kind of numbers and with this kind of KPIs, we almost make our proof of concept. Now we need 400,000 euros to make fine-tune to the products and to start make scale and put the products in other markets. Atlanta is not just a startup company. Atlanta make the dreams of athletes real. So join to Atlanta and help us to make this dream happen. Thank you very much. Question.
So, what's your go-to-market strategy? So, do you have a focus on certain sports and what regions, and what does it cost to get you a new active user?
Okay, go to the market. Of course, we go by marketing, but until now, we have organic growth because every player raised his stand and he's trying to sell all his scene to the agents, to the teams. So by that, we make a growth of marketing. Now we are launched only in Greece and only in basketball, but Platforma can use in many sports.
Question about your market potential, specifically the scouts. How many scouts are there who would actually be interested in using this?
The market is huge. Only in Europe and football and basketball, we have more than 1.5 million potential clients. And when we say scout, we mean teams, university, clubs, everybody who will be able to play to get this video database.
To how many scouts did you talk already?
Until now we have 1,000 scouts from 500 users.
And that was 1 minute.
Thank you very much. You can find me very easily because I'm the here.
Let me remind you.